Meet Louisa. She is 65 years old. Louisa has been visually impaired for 10 years and has some other health issues including diabetes (NT) and high blood pressure. She takes multiple medications. Louisa wants to stay at home and be independent. Louisa has one daughter who is busy but always checks on her mom. Louisa has been putting elastic bands around her medication vials to tell them apart, but her daughter was always worried about her taking the wrong medications. Louisa's daughter went to their pharmacist to ask him for help, and the pharmacist said that there is a new solution for her mom. He showed her the IntelliChip. He plugged the IntelliChip into his computer through a USB port and presses the buttons that says Send to IntelliChip. The pharmacist hears the IntelliChip and confirms that the information is the same as the medication label on the vial and gives it to Louisa's daughter. Louisa's daughter takes it home to Louisa. Louisa can now push the button on her IntelliChip and she can hear the medication name and direction for intake.
Louisa Garcia. Furosemide 20 milligrams. Take 1 tablet once daily.
Louisa's daughter also pairs it with our app. Our app now reminds Louisa verbally when she needs to take her medications and confirms that she's taking it. Our app also collects the data from her blood pressure device, heart monitor, and any medical body reading device and tracks them, and communicates with Louisa to make sure she is well. And her daughter can now log into our app to see how her mom is doing. One day while Louisa's daughter was away, our app detected that Louisa has not taken her prescription drugs and that her blood pressure was high. And Louisa was not responding. So our app contacted 911 and Louisa was rushed to the hospital. The hospital did not know what Louisa takes for medication, but they noticed that Louisa wears a medical ID bracelet with our secure website and a unique login code on it. The hospital logs onto the website and they see a list of medications Louisa is taking and most recent body readings. It is also time-stamped. They noticed that she missed her blood pressure medication, which caused the increase in blood pressure before 911 was contacted. So they treated her, and Louisa went home well. For more information, visit www.additumhealth.com.